Well, we are back for the second set of fire element points. Before I start these points, I just want to make a quick correction to the last video where I said that this lateral point was the heart and the medial was the small intestine, and I reversed them. So the outside lateral point is small intestine 1 and the inside is heart 9. So now we're going to move on to these purple points, which are going to be your pericardium and triple heater points. And the first point we're going to look at is pericardium 1. This is a good coughing point for dogs, and it's actually on the chest. So you kind of, actually now that I move her, you can kind of see as you come down their side, you fall into this, you can kind of actually see it. You fall in, and that is pericardium 1. And then it comes through, and pericardium 3 is actually in front of heart 3. So heart 3 is going to be over here, and then pericardium 3 is in front of that, more on the front of the leg. So you see it's kind of like right there. It's pericardium 3, but in line with heart 3. So I tried to show it better. You can see it on these two legs, and I tried to make heart 3 point better. And then pericardium comes down the inside of the leg, and you're going to go to pericardium 6, which is a great chest opening point. I guess I'll try to look on this leg a little easier. Pericardium 6, and the way you find that is it's 1/6 the distance between this joint and the elbow joint, and that kind of sounds crazy. So if you find the halfway point, and then you find 1/3 of that, and that's pericardium 6. And as you go down, you can actually feel the point in there. So, and from there you go down to pericardium 7, which is the source point. So a very powerful point. And then you keep going down, and you are going to come into the ting points. So their pericardium 9 is going to be your ting point tonification point, and then you have triple heater 1, and then so you have medial side of that 4th digit is your pericardium, and lateral side of that same digit is going to be your triple heater. So now your triple heater points go up on the outside, kind of the front of the leg. So, and they, in a lot of ways, they're right on the other side of your pericardium. And so this triple heater 4 is going to be in this joint. On the outside, you come down, and you can feel there's the divot. You can almost see it. It's a space in between those little, in between all those little bones of what would be kind of like the dog's wrist. And you put in there, and that's triple heater 4, and that is the source point of source points. And then you go up a little ways, and it's triple heater 5 is going to be pretty much on the other side of your pericardium 6. So again, it's, 6th the way up here, and then it's so half and then 1/3. And that is triple heater 5. It's really good to do with pericardium 6, kind of natural anyway, the way your hand just falls. And then the triple heater meridian goes all the way up. And the next point we're going to talk about is triple heater 17. And this is a great relaxation point. So here's your dog's ear. You can see where gallbladder 20 was back here. And this is around the front of the ear, right at the base of the ear. That's triple heater 17. And then when you go to the shoe points, which we'll go over more later, 14, bladder 14 is going to be your pericardium point, and that's obviously between 13 and 15. And then bladder 22 is going to be your triple heater point, and that kind of sits actually over where the actual triple heater is, and I'll explain more when we do the shoe points how to find that one.